Alright, then we're moving on to the Mallory Post TT, which we very often used to go to that, the Isle of Man.
Yeah.
One of our favourite circuits, really, wasn't it?
Yeah. Machine. Killenly Road.
Yeah, Ditchburn, Ditch, they called him, yeah.
Dick Grant.
Bit of blood on that tyre.
These are the days when they worked on their own bike.
Tony Rutter.
Put his numbers on.
Yeah, that's right. They wouldn't do that today.
No.
They probably wouldn't be allowed to. I mean,
John Williams.
yeah. Buzzer. Yeah. Obviously just coming in from a practice run, I would think.
Yeah.
Rutter signing autograph.
Coming into the S's.
Yeah. Good spot that was.
Yeah, it was. Much better in those days before they brought the chicanes in.
Yeah.
Remember, we used to have to get up early to get a spot there. I used to be there for up at 7.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't get a decent spot otherwise. Yeah, it used to be quite interesting watching them flicking through there, and as they sort of levelled up there, at that point there, the bike used to wiggle, didn't it?
Yeah.
Get a bit unstable.
Yeah.
The Rocket 3s.
Yeah. Try
Tate, Percy Tate.
Cooper.
I go.
Put it back now, man.
Yeah, I just seen it. Handsome chap, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Sort this gearbox out on it. Got Yamaha's there, and Suzuki. I suppose that would have been Sheen Suzuki, I don't know. Although he was Heron, the Heron Suzuki used to ride, Heron team.
Harry Randall.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Got the helmet. Phil Reed on the amp. I mean, their leathers looked all dirty, you know, didn't they, those days?
They used to have transit vans, Ford transit vans.
Yeah. No motorhomes then.
No.
Cooper again, going out. Oh, right, it's Council Coon now, then.
Collins here,
Yeah. That's Charlie Samby, we think, there, isn't it? The tall guy there.
Yeah, I think that's Charlie Samby. Chris Vincent's outfit.
Yeah.
BSA.
Because they were popular then, weren't they, BSA sidecars?
Yeah.
And the, because they used the Hillman Imp engine, didn't they, as well? I don't know if that was racing then. At this time in 76, I don't know.
And there was a Connie.
Yeah, it was a boat engine really, wasn't it? I think tonic. And coming down that last straight before the start and finish. Some solo bikes there in the pits waiting to come out.
Yeah.
That's Charlie Samby there, I think, the front there. The red.
Yeah.
Would this have been a club meeting, do you think, or?
No.
They had
it would have been a national.
big races, right?
Yeah.
No, right? So all the top names would have been here.
Yeah. Yeah, Ken and I were marshals there 1 year.
Oh, did you?
No, the Gloucester Cops.
What, for the whole year, all the race
No,
meetings,
just that,
or just one
meeting.
just that one meeting?
Yeah.
That looks like tape, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Checking his rear suspension's working. Sealy. That would have been. That's Tate, isn't it?
Yeah. Big farmer.
Yeah. That's to be the start of the solo race. Have you watched now? As the bike flies down the right hand side of the grid. Look, there he goes. Yeah, I do that would be.
Started in the back of the grid.
Yeah, whether he had a jump start. The checker flag. Of course, they don't have that side now. They do checker flags. The flags are on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Jim Lee.
Yeah, that was Nick Grant's sponsor for many years.
Did he race then, Jim Lee, or?
I don't